Okay, we're on to our next step. So we've got our start point and our end point, and basically I'm just going to outline with Sharpie any of the lines that I made and just be careful with it. And after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and erase very carefully any extra lines that I have just using my eraser. And that's really one of the reasons we use a Sharpie and a good eraser in the art room. Okay, so really what you're doing is just adding those little entryways, those little doors, and there is your fish. You'll notice that you have this awesome fish, and to add to the background, think of things that could maybe go in that background to represent that fish. So maybe it's bubbles, maybe it's in this scene, it's actually seaweed or kelp that's coming up. And what I'm doing is I'm adding to the confusion to the viewer, creating unity with the viewer by repeating lines and shapes in the background to really represent that kind of ocean or underwater scene and overlapping, underlapping different shapes that I have. You can also think of other things such as waves or zigzags or even just a design of some sort. But what it does is it really creates kind of that visual confusion for the viewer. So they sort of get lost in the maze.